Hey everyone, Dr. Adam Graves here, Colorado Natural Medicine Acupuncture, Castle Rock, Colorado. So today we're going to do 5 tips how to be an advocate for your own health. Number 1, educate yourself. I know people don't like Dr. Google. I'm a little different. I want my patients to feel educated and empowered about their symptoms, their disease, their treatment options, the data, the research, all of that. So go ahead and Google your issue. Try not to freak out. If it does freak you out, give us a call and talk to us and we'll help you navigate it. Number 2, be open and honest with your doctor. Communicate what's going on, even the embarrassing stuff. Make sure they know all information so they can make an accurate recommendation or diagnosis. Number 3, make sure you keep a detailed health record of your own labs, your symptoms, your medication, what's working, what's not working, all that, so that your physician can help navigate if something is wrong. Number 4, always seek a second opinion if you're uncomfortable. If it's a major health issue or you're not feeling heard by your own doctor, it doesn't take much to get a second opinion, feel if someone else is a better fit or listens better for you. And number 5, listen to your body. If you feel something's off, you can take care of yourself, lots of self-care, but advocate and find a physician that hears you, helps you navigate what's going on, and finds the root cause of your issue and helps restore your health. So there are 5 tips to be your own advocate in your own healthcare. Let us know if you have any questions. Peace and love. Have a good day.